Hi, my name is Tony, sales manager here at Clinical Supply Company, where we have been providing quality dental supplies since 1988. Today we'll be discussing our PDI Santa Cloth disinfectant wipes. Joining me is Tom, one of our sales reps here at Clinical Supply. How we doing, Tom?
Good, Tony. Nice to be here.
Well, glad you're here with us. Tom, we all know it's important that dental offices disinfect their offices not only for their staff, but obviously for their patients. And one way they utilize that is using the PDI Santa Cloth disinfectant wipes. And talking about these, to kind of tell me a little bit about how the large versus extra large are packaged per case.
Okay, so the large is 12 tubs per case. The extra large are 6.
Okay. And talk to me a little bit about each tub, large versus extra large, and how many wipes they get in each tub.
Well, the large comes in 160 and the extra large is 65 for the red tub. For the purple tub, there's 75 of the extra large. For the alcohol-free, those are at 75. And then there's only the large for the prime.
Okay. And when it comes to wipes, I guess a big catchphrase or kill times, as far as those go. Talk to me a little bit about each kill time with each of these wipes.
Yeah, the red tub or the Sani Cloth Plus, those are at 3 minutes. The Super Sanis, those are at 2 minutes. The alcohol-free, those are at 3 minutes. And then the primes at 1 minute.
Awesome. Now, if anybody has any questions or would like to place an order for these wipes, feel free to call us at 800-468-0188 or visit our website at www.clinicalsupplycompany.com. Thanks for watching. Everyone have a great day.